Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be discussing TCS NQT coding questions. Okay, so this is the question that we will discuss. So let us see, and you can pause the video and you can at least try your own logic and try to solve this. Then we will see the solution. Okay. Okay, then the question is, given a string S input consisting of star and hash. The length of the string is variable. The task is to find the minimum number of star or hash required to make it a valid string. And the string is considered valid if the number of star and hash are equal. So basically you will be given one string which will be consisting of star and hash symbol, and you have to find the minimum number of star or hash required to make both the number of star and number of hash equal. Means you have to make it equal. For that you have to say how many more star or more hash you required. Okay, so this is the question, and with the help of input we will see with the help of some input what is question all about, and there are some notes that we will see later. So let us see a few inputs. So basically this is the input, as you can see, the first one. So here we have 3 star and 3 hash symbol. So the question is you have to make it equal. So in this case it is already equal, so it is also 3 and it is also 3, so both are equal. So number of star and number of hash are equal, so the output will be 0 because no more extra star or hash required. So this was the first input. Now if you see the second one, so in this case the number of stars are 4 and number of hash are 2, so both are not equal. It is 4 and it is 2. So to make it equal we need 2 more hash symbols. Okay, so that's why answer is 2, or the output will be 2, because 2 more hash symbols are required, because at last we have to make it a valid string, and a valid is if the number of star and hash are equal. So for that how many extra we need? So in this case we need 2 more hash, so that's why output will be 2. So just we have to take the difference, number of star minus number of hash. 4 minus 2 is 2. But the problem is, now if you see input 3, there is something different. Like in this case the number of star are 2 and the number of hash are 4. So we need 2 more star, but in this case answer is minus 2. So 2 is okay, like absolute we need 2 star, but the answer is minus 2. Why? So this is because of this note. As you can see, it is saying that the output will be either positive or negative integer based on the number of star and hash, and it is saying that if star is greater than hash, like in second input, then the answer will be positive, so it is okay. But in second case it is saying that if the number of hash is greater than star, like in this case, then the output should be negative integer. So that's why here it will be minus 2, not 2, and if they are equal then it is 0. Okay, so the key things that we have to compare see here is that for the above two case it is okay, we will just take the difference. But in this case, whenever we have hash greater than this star, then the difference we have to take, but it will be negative. Like 4 minus 2 will not be, it should be 2 minus 4. We want the negative one. So overall if you see, then always we are doing number of star minus number of hash. If you do this you will get the solution. Like in this case number of star minus hash will be 0. Here number of star minus hash will be 2. Here number of star minus hash will be minus 2. So because 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So if we print star minus hash, always we will get the solution. Okay, so this was the main thing. Now let us move to the code. So this code I have written in Python programming language, and you can convert this into other languages like C or C++, Java, according to your need. That will be easy. So what we are doing, we will just iterate through all this value, all this character, and if it will be, we will keep counting of star and hash. The moment we encounter star, we will increase the count of star, and the moment we encounter hash, we will increase the count of hash, and then we will take the difference. So this code is all about. So the first line, as you can see, it will take the input, and these two variables where we have this will count the number of hash, this will count the number of star, S for star. Now this is the for loop. We will go through these values, and if it will be hash I equal to hash, increase the count of hash by 1, and if it will be star, increase the count of star by 1. So after this for loop, we will get the count of star also and hash also. So just we will print number of star minus hash. Now this is the main thing. Number, you have to print star minus hash, not hash minus star. Because if you print star minus hash, then only this condition will fulfill. Because if star is greater, then star minus hash will be positive. Similarly, in second case, star minus hash will be negative, and in this case 0. So let me run this. So let's take first input in which all are equal, hash hash star star. Okay, you can see the answer is 0 because both are equal. Now we can take another like hash hash star star star. Okay, so you can see now we have given star greater, so there are 3 star 2 hash, so we got the output positive 1. Now run some more cases. In this time we will take hash greater. Okay, so we have 4 hash and 2 star. Yeah, you can see we got the output negative -2. Okay, so you can run your own test cases. This is the code, and by running this code you will get the it will be able to run all the test cases successfully. Okay, so this was the code. I hope it is clear. So this is just a for loop, and just one thing that we needed is this one. Make sure you print star minus hash, then only this will be possible, because if star is greater than hash, it should be positive, and if star is less than hash, it should be negative, which is only possible if I do star minus hash. Okay, and if you are facing problem in this print, then you can take your own like if else. Some if else you can take your own, like you can do like this: if star is greater than hash, do this; if hash is greater than star, do this, and if both are equal, print 0. So this was a bit like compact code, so you can use any other like if else you can do, then it will be easy, but after all this is good. So this is the code all about, and here although I have given else if, but if you just give else, then also it will be okay, because there are only hash and star only. Okay, so no more extra characters are there. So this was the first problem, and if you are new to this channel, so you can subscribe to my channel, and there is one playlist where I have discussed all the questions which has been asked in TCS. So there you will find numerical ability question, all the logical questions, and all types of question you will find. So go through that, try more and more questions, and if you face any problem in any topic, you can write in the comment section. I will solve it. Okay, so thank you guys, take care.